Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best hand mixer is probably one of the most essential appliances in any kitchen, transforming the way we bake and cook with its versatility and power. Whether you're whipping up a delicate meringue, kneading dough for artisanal bread, or simply mixing ingredients for a cake batter, a good hand mixer can significantly cut down on prep time and effort, ensuring consistent and professional results every time. This review will delve into what makes a hand mixer truly stand out, helping you find the perfect companion for all your culinary adventures. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer 62682G. Tired of losing your mixer attachments? This hand mixer comes with a convenient snap-on storage case that keeps your beaters and whisk together in one place. Easily tackle any recipe with 6 speed options and a quick burst button for extra power when needed. It makes preparing all your favorite dishes a breeze. Get everything you need to start mixing right away. It includes 2 traditional beaters and a whisk, all of which are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. With a powerful 250-watt motor, it handles all your mixing tasks with ease. From adding ingredients to cookie dough to whipping cream, it has the power you need. The innovative bowl rest feature keeps it stable on the edge of your bowl, freeing your hands and preventing messy drips on your countertop. After you're done mixing, simply press the speed dial to eject the attachments. This allows for a clean and mess-free removal without touching the beaters. What we like? Tired of losing your mixer attachments? This one comes with a handy snap-on case to keep everything together. Plus, its bowl rest feature means no more messy drips on your counter. If you value organization and a cleaner kitchen, this is the mixer for you. What people say? The mixer is powerful and handles dough well. Easy to clean and store, with a compact design. Multiple speed settings offer great versatility for different recipes. Number 4. MuellerLiving Ultra Stick Immersion Hand Blender. Tired of lumpy smoothies and uneven mixtures? This powerful immersion blender makes mixing, blending, whisking, and frothing a breeze. It comes with detachable accessories to help you create delicious drinks and more. This versatile tool comes with 3 easy-to-use attachments. Use the blending shaft for shakes and baby food, the frother for perfect milk foam, or the whisk for whipping cream and batters. Experience enhanced power with the turbo mode. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the blade housing is designed to minimize splashes for a cleaner experience. Using this blender is straightforward. Simply attach your desired accessory, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend. You can easily adjust the speed to achieve your perfect consistency. Cleanup is a snap. The blending shaft, whisk, and frother attachments are all dishwasher safe, making post-meal preparation hassle-free. What we like? Looking for versatility in one compact tool? This immersion blender boasts a powerful motor and multiple attachments for blending, whisking, and frothing. If you're a smoothie lover, a soup maker, or enjoy frothed coffee, this all-in-one solution is a game-changer. What people say? The mixer is lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has multiple speed settings for different mixing needs. The attachments are easy to clean and store. Number 3. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer, Ice Blue. Introducing the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. It's the #1 mixer brand in the world, designed to make your baking easier. With 5 distinct speeds, it offers the perfect setting for any task. From gently folding in ingredients to whipping up light meringues, it handles it all. The lockable swivel cord is designed to stay out of your way as you mix. This keeps your workspace tidy and your focus on creating. Removing accessories is a breeze. A simple, single-handed press of a button releases the beaters when you're done. It comes equipped with thoughtfully designed stainless steel turbo beaters. These ensure thorough mixing for delicious results every time. Cleanup is simple as the beaters are dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your culinary creations. What we like? As the #1 mixer brand, this offers reliable performance with 5 speeds for all your baking needs. The lockable swivel cord is a thoughtful touch for uninterrupted mixing. If you're a dedicated baker who appreciates brand trust and user-friendly design, this is a solid choice. What people say? The mixer is very powerful and handles thick doughs with ease. I love the sleek design of this mixer, it looks great on my countertop. The multiple speed settings allow for precise control, perfect for delicate batters and heavy kneading. Number 2. Powerful Mini Handheld Milk Frother. Tired of bulky kitchen gadgets? This mini frother is designed for ultimate portability. Create perfect froth for your favorite drinks anytime, anywhere, without any extra clutter. Don't let its simple, stand-less design fool you. This device packs a powerful punch, quickly whipping up creamy froth for your coffee, latte, cappuccino, or matcha. Crafted from sturdy stainless steel, it's built to last and incredibly easy to clean. Enjoy durable performance without the need for a stand. Looking for a gift for someone who loves coffee and minimalist design? This stand-free frother is the ideal present for their streamlined kitchen. Its compact design makes it easy to store in any drawer or cabinet. This makes it a practical and convenient choice for any kitchen setup. What we like? Craving that perfect froth for your coffee without the clutter? This mini frother is incredibly portable and requires no stand, making it ideal for small kitchens or on-the-go use. If you love lattes, cappuccinos, or matcha and appreciate minimalist, efficient gadgets, this is your go-to. What people say. The mixer is very powerful and handles doughs with ease. The multiple speed settings allow for precise control over mixing. The included attachments are versatile and make it suitable for various tasks. Number 1. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Hand Mixer HM 90 BCS. Introducing the Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus Hand Mixer. With its powerful 220-watt motor, it handles all your mixing needs with ease. Achieve perfect results every time with 9 adjustable speed settings. Easily control the mixing intensity with a simple one-step power switch and LED display. Say goodbye to messy splatters. The innovative Smooth Start feature offers 3 low mixing speeds, ensuring a clean and controlled start for any recipe. Its extra-long beaters are designed for maximum efficiency and easy cleaning, as they contain no center posts to clog. Ejecting them is a breeze with the convenient lever. This versatile mixer comes with everything you need: extra-long beaters, a chef's whisk, dough hooks, a spatula, and a handy storage case. Enjoy peace of mind with our limited 3-year warranty. It's a testament to the quality and durability you can expect. What we like? Need precise control over your mixing? This mixer offers 9 speeds and a smooth start feature to prevent splatters, perfect for delicate meringues or heavy doughs. If you're a baker who demands accuracy and a clean workspace, its advanced features and included accessories make it a top contender. What people say. The mixer is lightweight and easy to hold. It has multiple speed settings for different mixing needs. The attachments are easy to clean and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.